So look, y'all, if you come to the beach and you abandon your spot to go in the water, nature literally takes over. They're over there on they shit, like about to hop over their blanket. They about to fight over what? I have no idea. But they over there. They all in their shit. They all like all look. They all in they. I don't think they let food out, but they about to fight over the provisions left by the humans. Maybe it's the blanket. It has to be the blanket, because otherwise, yeah. If you go to the beach, know that your stuff is being properly taken care of. See, that's my cue. You know what? It's time for me to go.